Get handshakes from the branch managers. We keep doing fly shit when the camera's cut.
What's going on YouTube? As y'all can see right now, I don't know if y'all know, but whatever. Started this ball kind of late. I'm in downtown LA right now. I'm just gonna show y'all a little video on like how to do like creative photo shoots. I feel like I be posting pictures sometimes, and I just kind of want to show y'all like how to take like cool pictures using your city. If y'all live in a city that's, you know, like a city, you can do it anywhere. It could be like in a Worley area where they got trees and all types of stuff. It could really be anywhere. You can make a cool background out of any scene you at. So I'm gonna show y'all, take y'all with me. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. I got a few outfits. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, if you're coming back, man, you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. I'm gonna show y'all the fit after I take the pictures or whatever. But I'm gonna get into it, man. I think, you know, a little fun little vlog, quick little vlog for y'all. Nothing too serious. I ain't really doing nothing today, so I just figured I'd still this up to y'all. I'm gonna start rambling. Let's hop into it. All right, so step one, I'm gonna do it. As y'all can see, I got a good ass backdrop. So find your cool little area. It could be like some abstract art like that, something cool. That's gonna make your pictures pop. Not really always the outfit. It's kind of like you gotta use stuff like the background. You gotta use different props. I'm using my bag. Y'all just see this bag so many times, but I'm out of breath. There's a lot of heels on where I'm at, so I'm out of breath. But from the setup, and then I'm gonna show y'all like the whole process of how I'm taking the pictures, knowing your body, the angles, and all that stuff. Like, you know what I mean? That's kind of like important too. You want to tap in that. If you're not familiar, just look in the mirror, man. Just model yourself in the mirror. Just take like different poses. See what type of smile or not smile. See what type of angles look good on you. Look good while you're doing it or not. And so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little demonstration of it. Let me get set up real quick. All right, so for me, like more times than not, I'm not always, but most of the time I'm gonna be taking pictures by myself. So I would suggest investing in a little clicker. That's gonna be key. So that way you can set your stuff up on the tripod like I got there. Set your camera up or your phone or whatever, and then since I got like long sleeves, I can just hide it. I'll just be clicking away. You never know it. You think you know somebody else taking my picture. So little key there, man. Invest in a little Bluetooth clicker, and it'll take your picture. Today it's kind of really windy. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. See the trees blowing. It's crazy windy right now in downtown LA. So I hope that's not really a factor in me taking these photos, but I'm gonna make it work. Try to get it in for the sun go down. So I'm trying to get like 2 outfits in for you guys. 2 photos, different location. Where I'm at, it's kind of like cool little scenery like down the street. I'm gonna take the pictures of my second outfit there. So let me show y'all what it do. That boy Tubby over there don't want me to record. Hey now, motherfucker. So we're gonna switch to the second location like I was telling you guys. I don't know, people down here, they just privileged. I guess you can't take pictures on the street, even if it's on the freaking sidewalk. They talking about the pattern of the damn street is a part of the building. People take their job way too serious for fucking $15 an hour. But anyways, head to the second location, and I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully I can switch to my other fit. I gotta take it quick though, for real. I'm gonna try to see if I can set it up differently. But yeah, that was kind of annoying. So yeah. I'm switching locations. As y'all saw, I did try to take some pictures. They were kind of really like dark, and I couldn't really get the angle because like the sun is going down. So I'm trying to like chase the sun real quick, try to see if I can get like some good lighting. So I'm trying to look for some other areas. Downtown, they got some good areas, but I think I kind of started too late in the day. But let me see if I can make it work. for the second spot. I just took it right here. Got the big building behind me. But yeah, quick little video I just want to show y'all. I'm probably gonna do like a part 2 of this when it's not so windy, and I can pick like a different location and earlier time of the day because I'm trying to chase the sun, get that sunlight, and it's just not working. So, hey, yo, if you do security for a building, bro, like stop taking your job so serious. Interviewing people, I'm not harassing nobody. I'm just trying to take a quick little fit and get on with my business. Like, y'all be tripping out here for real, bro. Love me for real. I'm gonna do this by hand out here. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Like it, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all watch the whole video. Do something quick. We'll do nothing. More bangers on the way. Oh, son. That's that golden hour right there. Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.